Are you a YouTuber looking for a cheap yet powerful editor? Or are you a gamer that is just looking for a great deal on games that you can play to soothe your boredom? Well, today I'll be discussing on how you'll be able to get all these things with Humble Bundle. So stay tuned. Disclaimer, I'm not sponsored by Humble Bundle. This video is just for me to let you guys know about the amazing deals that they have currently going on. So, with that being said, let's first talk about the thing that will benefit YouTubers. Now, if you're a YouTuber and you've been around or you know about editing, I'm pretty sure you probably heard about Sony Vegas. Well, in this software bundle, you'll be able to get Sony Vegas Pro 14 for only $20. Now, this is completely legit. It works. I had bought it during the original bundle because this is a rebundle, which is back due to popular demand. And if you look right here, it says $928 worth of awesome stuff. So collectively, all of the software that this bundle gets you will lead up to a cost of $928, with Sony Vegas being 400 of them. So basically the way Humble Bundle works for bundles is you pay what you want. If you pay $1 or more, you get these little 3 nifty softwares right here. If you pay the average, which also can change depending on how many people buy it and they purchase it more than $20, the average can always increase. But if you pay the average, you'll get these 3 softwares right here. And then lastly, if you pay $20 or more, you'll unlock Vegas Pro 14, which has an initial cost of $400, and then you'll unlock all these other 3 softwares. This is completely legit. It works, and I can attest to it. Sony Vegas Pro 14 might not be the most recent one, but it still works, and it is still very useful for any YouTuber or video editor alike. So now that we've got that out of the way, time to discuss the gaming side. Humble Bundle is currently having a sale going on to where there's this one game called Satellite Rain where you can get it for 100% off. Now, normally people will be like, oh yeah, it's probably a cheap game. Well, the game costs $29.99. It's available on Steam, and if you want to check that out. And if a game costs $29.99, I'm pretty sure, it's at least decent quality, or else people wouldn't buy it. However, the game sale for this game is 12 p.m. Central this Saturday. So if I were you, I'd just go ahead and sign into Humble Bundle, add it to your cart, and check out. It won't cost you anything. Next, we're going to be talking about the weekend sale going on called the Capcom Weekend Sale. Basically, this goes up until the 23rd at 12 p.m. and you have the chance to get all these amazing Capcom games. For example, you can get Residents of Evil, as well any Residents of Evil, Devil May Cry, if you're into that, or Ultimate Marvel vs. Capcom, or Ultimate Street Fighter 4. It just has a plethora of games that you can get, and it's very cheap. It costs less than it would initially buying them at full price. So, now we discussed that, time to go into what I like to call my honorable mentions. So first on the honorable mentions, I'd have to talk about the most popular purchase currently, which is Metal Gear Solid 5: The Phantom Pain. This right now is the most purchased video game on Humble Bundle. So if you like Metal Gear Solid, then go ahead and pick this up. It only costs you $4.99. Next, I'd like to introduce No Man's Sky, which is infamous for being buggy and other sorts like that. However, it is 60% off and it only costs you $23.99 instead of the original full price. Next, I would like to mention Residents of Evil 7 Biohazard Gold Edition. Now, as we all know, if it has something like Gold Edition or like Platinum Edition, there's extra stuff in there. So for them to sell this at a discounted price, which is probably lower than the initial, I recommend picking this up if you're into Residents of Evil. Lastly, for my honorable mentions, I have Metal Gear Solid 5 Ground Zeroes. This is also another highly purchased video game on Humble Bundle, and as you can see right here, it will only cost you $3.99. So, I really hope this video informs you about all the great deals that you can get on Humble Bundle. This has many deals and bundles varying from every bi-weekly to like weeks, as well as game deals that you never know might just show up. Anyways, if you like this video or you at least found it informative, leave a like. Comment down if you have any questions about Humble Bundle or if you saw a game that you'd like to get. Share it with your friends if they're a YouTuber or a gamer alike, because I'm sure they'll either love to get a really expensive editing software fully working for 20 bucks, or they'll like to pick up some new games for their PC. And subscribe if you're new around here. I make videos every week at 5 o'clock Central, and if you're subscribed, you'll be notified when I upload them. Anyways, my name is ITZsharky, and I'll see you all